Oh, are you okay, Mr. Wan? Oh, Mr. Wan, are you okay? Hey yo, what's up guys, Finin here. Today, I'm here at Carpedia, which is a car rental company. I will be challenging myself working at a car rental company for a day. Let's go! This is Amin, right?
Yes.
This is my boss, man. So today, like internship is my first day of work. So yeah. So today I will work at the sales department. For your sales department, you guys have two departments, right? So which is one is the investment and another one is the driver, right? So but today I will experience and I will challenge myself working at the investment part.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's go, man. Woo!
You meet our criteria. Let's meet up for the inspection.
Easy, man. Okay, very easy, very easy. Just call only. I have experience on calling clients already. So before I call the client, I have to make some notes first. It's very important. So later I say something wrong or anything else. So most important thing is I have to write the important note first for later what I have to say with the clients. Okay, so what did he say? Okay, I forgot already. Yeah. Okay, I'm already. Okay, easy. So guys, now I will call the investor. A bit nervous. First day, man. Hello, sir. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir. Hi, sir. This is Finian from Rice Bowl. This is. Hi, sir. Yes, this is Finian from Carpedia. Yeah, I got your contact number from my boss. I heard that you're very interested in our package. Yes. So I just want to ask that what type of car do you have actually? Beza. Oh, cool. Yes, great. May I know is your Beza car is a rental car or is a use for yourself?
Actually, I use it for myself.
So maybe we can meet up later for an inspection?
Yes, sure. Alright.
Okay, thank you so much. See you later. Bye. Because I already wrote down the note, so it's easier for me to say. Okay, so guys, remember if you want to call any clients, remember to write the note so it will be easier and convenient for yourself. So this is one of the things I learned at Carpedia. Yeah, so yep, I will meet the investor later for a inspection for the car. Let's go. So guys, I think I saw the investor car. Oh, red Beza. Oh, so nice, man. Yeah, it's him already. Hey, hi. Investor, hi, Mr. Wan, right?
Yes,
I'm Finian. Hi, nice to meet you. So beautiful, man. Red color. Maybe we can have a check first? Okay, this is our boss.
Hi.
Yeah, this is a checklist.
Zero accident.
Wow. Zero accident. Ooh, cool, man. Steady, man. Ooh.
Alright.
So guys, now we will have a check with the car first. Spare tire, man. Spare tire, perfect. Mochi Molan. It's Cantonese, guys. It's good. Yeah, we have to take the engine, guys. Okay. Oh, it's quite hot. Okay, the engine is very nice, clean, steady, beautiful. Everything is perfect.
I'm good in handling my car.
Good, man. Oh, the lamp. Perfect also. Beautiful. Brand new one. Mochi Molan. Yes. It's okay, boss. Then it's ready to go, man. It's very hot. This is the agreement, so you can have the check.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So yeah, guys, after everything, we have a selfie. I mean, Wi-Fi for everyone. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Cool. So this is how it goes, guys. I really enjoyed it. It's like my first day, and then I learned like really a lot, like how to deal with the customers, the client, and how to communicate with the client also. And then you can go outside as well. So after the inspection, I have to take the car and bring back to our office. Most importantly, we have to buckle up your seatbelt first. Safety first, always. So we have to go back to our office. So we are here, and then after park the car, and then everything settled, right? And that's all. It's so easy, guys. I really enjoy my position, guys. Overall, it was a great and interesting experience working at the car rental company. Who says that working at the car rental company is very boring? You can always go outside and see the world as a driver, which you can learn many new things. Remember guys, we become what we think about. Alright guys, so that's all for our video today. If you wish to watch me experiencing other different kinds of jobs, remember to comment below and I'll try it out. Remember to visit Carpedia for car rental, for e-hailing, car rental and bus services. Visit RiceBowl.my to find the latest job vacancies such as HR, admins, sales, accounts, customer service and many more jobs. It's easy and fast with unlimited choices for you guys to choose the best and suitable jobs for you. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!